Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Fest 67's workshop, and welcome to issue 47 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967. Our good old mates at DeAgostini. Now, you want to grab this for yourself. Head over to this link. All the way there. Clickable version in the description below, and take out a subscription to this beautiful 1/6 scale model. You won't be disappointed. Let's have a quick flip through the magazine. There's the Shelby there with the Mustang pace car. Beautiful colour. Do like that. This is one with a rather stealthy looking checker effect on it, and that really took my eye when I saw that. And I've got a die-cast Mustang model, and I must admit I am very tempted to mask over it and spray that, so keep an eye out for that build, folks. This is the step-by-step second stage of the gearbox. So you need the part we built last time on the bench with the plate so that we can put all this together, folks. Okay, step-by-step, simple instructions there, and then where we're going to be fitting this gearbox into our Mustangs today. And that will be your final result, folks. Looking rather splendid, isn't she? Next up, you've got Jeff Gordon, NASCAR's Rainbow Warrior. I remember this car doing the rounds. Very distinctive DuPont colour scheme there. Another one I remember back in the day was the Skull Bandits NASCAR as well. This was Jeff Gordon facing the media after winning his first NASCAR title. This was the Cannonball Run race without rules. It's like the Gumball 3000 that succeeded it. Yeah, there you go. I think it's still a thing in America, outlaw racing, but yeah, there you go, folks. Look at the liveries on some of these cars. This was at Covent Garden in London. This was to watch participants start in the 2011 Gumball 3000. Yeah. It started to become a thing here, and then our local authorities all clamped down on it, and it's, yeah, they get the cars crushed now. Right, this is what we've got. So this is what we're going to be assembling today, folks. So I'll quickly open this, we'll lay the bits out, and we'll get some assembly done for you. All right, folks, let's have a look at what we've got. So we got 47C and 46A. Which was what we built last time with the pipes on. Do you remember this one? We got that piece. It's now telling us that we need to engage this in there, somewhat like so. Okay, that's what it's showing us, that shape there. We then need to grab our plate and put that in place, like so. Can only go to one way because this has got the square cutouts that go in this little notch. Okay, and then we want this other half of the gearbox to go over and lock all of this together. Okay, so just drop that in, and then it will start holding all of this in place. And then that's going to be held with a couple of screws, folks, and they're DS01s, the silver ones, are what we want. Okay, so let's grab one of those. We'll drop a bit of oil on it, and we'll get that first screw situated just in there, like that. And then grab the second one, and then we'll do the same again on the other side. A little bit of oil, pink. Rest it on my knuckle, and then just pop that home, like that. And that's that together now. Then what we need to do is we need to fix this now to the underside of the chassis, and we're going to be popping that in with a pair of DS02 screws, which are these. So we'll grab them. We'll grab our chassis section and we'll put that together. So we've bolt that into place. Now when we put this gearbox in, we've got a hole there that we need to just engage that shaft in like so. Okay, and then that will drop your gearbox in. And then we'll grab one of these, get some oil on it and put the first one in. And then that should retain the gearbox enough to put the second one in. Okay. So we'll try and do this in a way that you can see it. But bear in mind, it is a little big now. Try to get in shot. So we'll try and do it that way. Just make sure that I'm not obscuring too much. There you go. Now we can then pop the second screw in like so. And then I should be able to do that with my left hand. Does pay to be ambidextrous. Right, so that now gives us that in place like so. And then we should then have the gearbox support bracket, which will then go in there like so. You've got a little cut out there that accepts the end of this spike. So make sure you've got that in situ. And then we can pop that in place. And that is held in place with PS05s. So let's grab one of those, get one side of this in. And then we'll be able to get the other one in then without any trouble. There you go. Let's pull that in nicely now. And then we can turn that round and line that one up. Right. Nice resounding click there. Like so. And then we can drop that in place just there. Just like so. And that is going to give us our gearbox and gearbox support in place, just like that, folks. Look at that. Already coming together in it. So, if you would like to grab this yourself and build along with me, folks, head over to this link here. It takes you all to the DeAgostini website, where you too can take out a subscription for this beautiful 1/6 scale model. Also, to do me a favour, you can click little festa just over there and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That helps me out massively, helps me grow my channel, and I'm eternally grateful. Whilst you're there, just ring the bell, folks, and that will let you know of future content that has been uploaded to the channel. In the meantime, stay safe and well. Thank you so much for keeping me company. See you next time. Bye-bye.